Yes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. It's time to hold the bull by the horns. It's time to go straight to the point. It's time. It's time not to beat around the bush. It's time not to beat around the bush, but go straight to the point and say it as it is, unedited, unfiltered, uncensored, raw as it is. The way it happened, the way it was said. Right. How are you? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're good. I hope you're fine. I hope you're doing amazing things. I hope you're doing wonderful things in your lives, wherever you are in this global human world. My name is Kudzi Madzero, again with another video for your viewing pleasure, for your viewing, for your watching. Right. This is the preamble or the background to my story. I went to Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town, Bulawayo CBD in February 2025. This year, this particular year. Right. Then I was talking to a lot of people. I was mingling, I was mixing, I was interacting, I was socializing with a lot of people from all age groups, from all occupations or professions, from different walks of life and from different backgrounds, economically and socially and politically speaking, from different backgrounds, from different walks of life, from different whatever, economically, socially, and politically speaking. Then I heard a lot of stories. I discovered a lot of stories. I realized a lot of things that Ndebele people do or say, or the way they behave, their attitude, their character, their human social behavior, everything in between. Right. When I was there, something shocked me. These people, this set of people, this brand of people, this category of people, they like this currency so much. They respect this currency so much. They worship this currency so much. And the name of the currency is United States dollar. United States dollar, US dollar. Yo. According to what I saw, according to what I realized, according to what I discovered when I was there, looking with my very eyes, with my two naked eyes, I could see that these people, the Bele people in Bulawayo, Matebeleland, they worship this currency. They like this currency so much. And I even knew that, this other currency called ZIG, Zimbabwe gold currency. This new currency by the current government in Zimbabwe. They don't like it. They hate it. They don't want it. They don't need it. They don't use it. They don't utilize it. They respect this US dollar so much. They are so much sold into this US dollar. They are so much subscribed into this US dollar. It's like they worship it. Wherever I went, remember, I was staying in the main street, Bulawayo CBD main street, by the name Prime Harris Hotel, Prime Harris Lodge. And I was doing my shopping in Spa or, in some of the shops in that main street. This is where I was doing most of my shopping for food or for some items that I need, or for some product that I need in my life. Because I stayed there 21 days, 3 good weeks. Wherever I went to, they're just talking about US dollar, US dollar, US dollar, US dollar. I go to Spa, US dollar. I go to this shop, US dollar. I go to this shop, US dollar. Nobody was talking about the ZIG, Zimbabwe gold currency. Nobody was talking about other currency. It was only US dollar. If if you were lucky, or if I was lucky, maybe they would say, give us the rand, South African rand. But 99.9%, it was US dollar, US dollar. It was like a song everywhere in the Bulawayo CBD, according to what I saw. According to what I saw, everywhere in the Bulawayo CBD, it was US dollar everywhere. I'm like, what about the South African rand? What about the ZIG? So I was asking myself that, to the best of my knowledge and to the best of my understanding, I'm a Zimbabwean and I'm open to use or utilize any currency that I want in this country. Because basically speaking, this country is open to the use or the utilization of every currency, especially the big ones. Talk of the pound, talk of the US dollar, talk of the South African rand, the pound, the rand, the US dollar. and lately talk of this Zimbabwe gold currency, the ZiG currency. So if you are limiting me to say only US dollar, if you don't have it, move out. If you don't have it, get out, get away. Ha! What kind of a life is this? What kind of a living is this? I was very surprised. I was very shocked when these things were unfolding right in my presence, right before my eyes, right before my two naked eyes, in Bulawayo town, in Bulawayo city, in Bulawayo CBD. Yo. So I saw that these Ndebele people, yo, they like this currency so much. You can't tell them about the South African rand. You can't tell them about the pound. You can't tell them about the ZiG. Where's ZiG? You can't tell them anything because they don't like it. They don't use it. They don't want it. The ZiG currency, Zimbabwe gold currency, they don't want it. They don't use it. Their life or their lifestyle is based on using or utilizing the US dollar, United States dollar. I'm like, huh? It's like they're worshiping this currency. This is what came to my mind. This is what came to my good brain. I'm like, these people, yo, in Matebele, in Bulawayo. It's like they're worshiping this currency. The level of adoration, the level of liking, the level of love for this currency is way above too much. It's way above the board. It's like they're worshiping this currency. And some were even saying to me boldly that, you know what? This is the only real currency in the world. I'm like, yay! Stop that fallacy. Stop that statement. Where I take that statement from? They were saying, you know what? Hey, Mat Zero, this is the only real currency in the world. Go anywhere. This is the only real currency. I'm like, no. US dollar is not the only real currency. There are many other real currencies, powerful and strong. Just like the US dollar, similar to the US dollar. The British pound, European euro is also powerful. It's also strong. Very massive in its power, in its purchasing power. So what are you saying? So I was like, no, these people are worshiping this currency. The level of respect, the level of love or liking is way above the board. It's like they're idolizing. Maybe I can say they were idolizing that currency. They were idolizing like an idol, like, yo, we need this one, we want this one, we go after this one. Like, they're idolizing this currency, akin to worshiping this currency. So this is what I saw in Bulawayo. This is what I realized in Bulawayo. These were some of my experiences and stories in Bulawayo in January 2025, February 2025. Yo, currency, US dollar versus the pound, US dollar versus the naira versus the rand versus the kwacha versus the ZiG or Zimbabwe gold currency. What's your take? What's your comment? What do you say? What's your understanding about what I said in this video? Let's discuss in the comment section. Yours truly. Remember to pray. Remember to drink water. Is healthy for your body. I'm signing out now. Yo, Bulawayo. My experiences, my stories. They're so fascinating. They're so captivating. They are so good. They're so beautiful. Of course, some of them, they're ugly and bad. But anyway, I praise God, Jehovah. Thank you. I'm signing out. Sharp.